start.
Hmm.
This is my first video lecture that concerned with BSc Bio second year. Now you are going to study about subdivision of phylum Chordata. So first of all, what is chordates? Chordata. The phylum Chordata is subdivided into two groups. Chordata is divisible into two groups. One is the Acraniata and second one is the Craniata. First of all, this is group first and second. So what is Acraniata? Acraniata means absence of brain and cranium. Acraniata means absence of brain and cranium. The acraniata means it is also named another names by lower chordata or protochordata. Lower chordata or protochordata and or protochordata. So as you wish, you named it as first group Acraniata or lower chordata or protochordata. The first group Acraniata is divisible into three subphylum. That includes three subphylum. First is the Hemichordata. And second one is the Urochordata. And third one is the Cephalochordata. So first, second and third. So group Acraniata, lower chordata, protochordata. So Acraniata that includes three subphylum. The phylum Chordata includes four subphylum. Three phylums are included under Acraniata or lower chordata or protochordata. The Hemichordata, this is the hemi. This three division is based upon the presence and on the basis of notochord. Hemichordata, Urochordata and Cephalochordata. But in case of Hemichordata, there is no true chordates. That in presence of Hemichordata, there is the notochord is not true. That is also named another name, that is the stomochord. That is why it is placed under the invertebrate, not by the scientist Hymen. And second, Urochordata and Hemichordata includes example, that is a Balanoglossus, that is the connecting link between invertebrate non-chordates and chordates. So Balanoglossus is connecting link between non-chordates and chordates that exhibits both characters. So Urochordates and Cephalochordate. So in case of Uro and Cephalochordate, these two group of animals are found only in marine water, but looks like a small fish-like animals. यूरो यूरो मतलब tail. Chordata means यूरो means tails and chordata means notochord. Presence of notochord. That means the notochord is present in this group of animal only in tail region. And cephalochordata, and the example of urochordata, that is Hardmania. And third one is this cephalochordata. In that represent example, that includes example that is Amphioxus, Branchiostomata. Amphioxus is the example of cephalochordata. That means what that Amphioxus means both ends are pointed because notochord is extended from head to tail. Head to tail. In case of cephalochordata, notochord is extended from anterior into posterior end, or you can say from head to tail region. So these are three subphylum. Subphylum. So Hemichordata, Urochordata and Cephalochordata, these three combined together and collectively referred to as protochordates. Protochordates. And next division, this is a first group, that is Acarinata, Lower Chordata, Protochordata. So before we going to study about the chordate, we first to study about the protochordates. So protochordates includes three subphylum: Hemichordata, Urochordata and Cephalochordata. This division is based upon a single character, that is the presence of notochord. And Craniata, second group, that is Craniata. Craniata means there is a presence of true brain and cranium. In this group of animal, that possesses a brain and cranium. That includes last subphylum of phylum Chordata, that is the vertebrata. Vertebrata. That means there is a presence of in case of Urochordata, Cephalochordata, there is a absence of true backbone. But in case of vertebrata, there is absence of a backbone, that is vertebral column, that is made up of vertebrae. So there is a presence of vertebral column, that is why it is referred to as the vertebrata. That is what is vertebrata? Vertebrata is the last subphylum of the phylum Chordata. Phylum Chordata. So Craniata, it is also referred to as and by another names, that is the higher chordates. Craniata is also referred by two another names, and that is first euchordates, and second higher chordates. Higher chordate. Euchordata or higher chordates. Craniata, euchordata, first and second or higher chordata. these two are another name of crenata. Either you can speak by crenata or euchardata or hyarchardata. So this is the crenata या euchardata या hyarchardata includes the last subphylum, that is the Viridata, that contains the backbone. This last subphylum phylum Chordata, that is divided into two divisions. One is the tha and two division. One is the agnatha. And second division, that is the gnathostomata. Agnatha, that agnatha means there is an absence of jaw and pair appendages. Absence of jaw and paired appendages. That includes two class. एक ग्रंथ में दो क्लास आते हैं, include two class. One is the ostracoderm and another is the cyclostomata. Ostracoderms first, and second cyclostomata. Ostracoderms, these are two classes that are included under Agnatha. Ostracoderm, that includes the extinct group of animals, and their bodies are externally covered with bony shield-like plate covering. That is not present at this time. It includes only extinct group of animal. And second, that is cyclostomata, that include living animal, that includes myxine and petromyzon. Cyclo मतलब circular, isto मतलब that gives circular mouths, that are included, such as myxine and petromyzon. So ostracoderm and cyclostomata are included under the first division of vertebrata, that is the Agnatha. A मतलब absent, gna मतलब jaw. So there is a absence of jaw and appendages. Appendage मतलब hind and forelegs are absent. But in case of gnathostomata, there is a presence of jaw and paired appendages. In case of gnathostomata, there is a presence of jaw and paired appendages. Gna means होता है jaw, stomata, gnathostomata, मतलब jaw is present and paired appendage is also present. The gnathostomata accommodated two superclass. Gnathostomata include two superclass. One is the दो superclass include करते हैं. One is the Pisces and second one is the first Pisces superclass and second superclass, that is a tetrapoda. Tetrapoda. So Pisces includes all fishes, and fishes are poikilothermic animals that possess fins that helps in locomotion inside the water. So paired appendages means there is a presence of pectoral fins and pelvic fins. That helps in their locomotion. So fishes includes all fishes. The superclass Pisces includes all fishes. That includes Placoderm. Pisces includes Placoderms, and Placoderms, Chondrichthyes, and Osteichthyes. These are three classes: first, second, and third. Placoderm, it includes those group of fishes that is covered externally with bony plate-like covering, bony plate-like sheets. Placoderm का the literal meaning of placoderm is first of all, and second, chondrichthyes. Chondrichthyes means those group of fishes that are included in superclass Pisces that possess cartilaginous endoskeleton. Those fishes which possess their endoskeleton, internal endoskeleton, that is made up of the cartilage. Chondrion मतलब होता है cartilage. So those fishes that have cartilaginous endoskeleton that are included in the class Chondrichthyes. And Osteichthyes, third class of superclass Pisces, that is Osteichthyes. Osteon मतलब bone. Osteon means bone. So those group of fishes that possess bony endoskeleton are put together in class Osteichthyes. In this way, the superclass Pisces include three classes: Placoderm, Chondrichthyes. Chondrichthyes मतलब cartilaginous endoskeleton, and third one is the Osteichthyes, that is the bony endoskeleton. So this is the first superclass Pisces, and the second superclass, that is a tetrapoda. Tetrapoda means that possess four legs and hind legs. That includes amphibia. It includes four classes: amphibia, reptile, apes, and mammal. Amphibia, reptiles, apes, mammals. The second superclass, tetrapoda. Tetra मतलब four, poda मतलब food, मतलब four legs, that are truly land animals. That includes amphibia, reptiles, apes, and mammals. So these are four classes that are included under second superclass tetrapoda. So amphibia, reptile person, and these the classes of chordates are further divided into two groups: lower chordate number 8, lower vertebrata and higher vertebrata. Lower vertebrata and second one is the higher vertebrata. तो lower vertebrata that means the vertebrate is further divided into two group of animals. So first one is the lower vertebrata and second is the higher vertebrata. These two division is based upon only a presence on the presence and absence of amnion. Amnion is a type of membrane that fuels that accommodates developing embryo inside them, that help in egg laying on the lines. If amnion is present, that is known as amniota. अगर amnion present है उस ग्रुप को बोलेंगे amniota. Amnion is present. Amnion present. If amnion is present, amnion is a special type of membrane that holds developing embryo in amniotic fluid, and that is referred to as a amniota. So amniota means that is a higher vertebrate. Amniota is also known as the higher vertebrate. A higher vertebrate includes only three class animal. One is the reptile, apes and man. So in these three group class of animal, the amnion is present. Amnion is present, that means the developing embryo holds inside this membrane, inside the amniotic fluid, that prevents from external shock and hazardous environmental conditions that protect them. So that is why in these three class amnion is present. So these three class of animal is also referred to as higher vertebrate, higher vertebrata or higher vertebrates. Yeah, you can say in other words, this is the amniota. इसको हम amniota भी बोल सकते हैं. Amniota or higher vertebrates. And second division, that is the lower vertebrata. So lower vertebrata includes amphibia, osteichthyes, condythyes, placoderm, and one class cyclostomata. Cyclostomata. So above the reptile, amphibia, osteichthyes, condythyes, placoderm and cyclostomata. That is the last class of the Agnatha. So these four, last one is the amphibia, and next osteichthyes, condythyes, placoderm, osteichthyes. These collectively referred to as lower vertebrata. Lower vertebrata, or here you can say in another word, it is also referred to as an amniota. as you wish. You can speak lower vertebrata or anamnata. Anamnata matlab there is a absence of amnion, that is a special type of membrane that is not present in this class of animal. That is why it is referred to as lower vertebrata or an amniota. So that's all about subdivision of phylum Chordata. So this is the first video lecture for BSc second year. Close.